Hello all and welcome back to Pracky Reviews. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about this amazing brand that I have come across. If you know me, if you follow my channel, you would know that I am always on the lookout for natural brands, Ayurvedic brands, local brands, and in skincare and beauty segment. And today, one such brand that I have come across is the Bella Vita Organics. Now, Bella Vita Organics is a brand, it's an Ayurvedic brand formulated in Gurgaon. It's made in India. It's entirely made in India. It is cruelty free. They do not test on animals. It is Ayurvedic. It is what they call the modern Ayurvedic brand. So it is the modern Ayurvedic formulations with luscious natural ingredients, and they have a lot of products for skin care, hair care, beauty and face care, body care, and they have also launched their perfumes very recently. They do not have any toxins. They always use natural fragrances, natural colorings, and very natural ingredients in their compositions. And they are what they call the modern Ayurveda. I like the concept of modern Ayurveda because it is Ayurvedic formulations that work, which have been packaged in a very nice and very chic way for the day-to-day modern life. So they have recently launched their perfumes, and today we're going to be talking about their perfumes. There are two perfumes that I want to talk about on today's episode. So keep watching. This video is about the Bella Vita Organic perfumes, and I am very excited to share my experience with y'all. So this is what I had with me. These are the Bella Vita perfumes. They arrived in this carton, and I got two perfumes. One is the Bella Vita Organic Senorita Woman. So this is a woman perfume. These are Eau De Parfums, which is that they are long lasting perfumes. So there are two types. There is a Eau De Toilette and Eau De Parfum. If I am pronouncing the French right, please don't mind. But so these are the perfumes. The first one is Senorita and the second one is a White Oud. It is a unisex perfume from Bella Vita Organics. These are really luxury blend of perfumes, and they are really, I am a spoiled girl because summers are approaching, and I always want to, I'm always looking out for a perfume that smells good, but it's not overtly powdering. So, some deodorants can be really nasty and they can be so strong. So I'm always on the lookout for perfumes which are subtle, like you have that scent, but it is not too overpowering. And also, sensitive is an issue because I have sensitive skin. So I have to be very careful about the perfumes that I use. And let me tell you, I am so happy with these Bella Vita Organic perfumes. So this one, so I'm going to be first talking about this variant. It's called the Bella Vita White Oud Unisex Perfume. Flip top open. So I'm just going to be removing this. So they always recommend a patch test, and look at that. I'm just going to remove this luxurious, so it is made sure that your bottle stays safe through all the courier processes. And look at this bottle, isn't it a beauty? So this is the White Oud scent, and it is 100 ml of perfume. It is a pure perfume which retails actually for 999, but if you go on their website right now, they have a huge sale happening, and you can buy this at 499 rupees only. So please jump onto it because this is totally worth it. Now I'm just going to open this, and it's got a spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray some. It is marvelous. It is marvelous. Now White Oud is something that most of you know. It is a musk based, very wow, it is a musk based perfume. It has got an amazing top notes of fresh cut grass or vetiver. So it's got this really, the top note is very fresh, and then you have this nice classic white oud perfume, and then the base notes are slightly warm, woody, mahogany types, and it smells divine. And I love unisex perfumes, you know, these days. Sometimes when you're not in a mood to have like very floral and you know, not every time you want to smell floral, so sometimes you can go for a unisex perfume like this, which is totally amazing. And the good part is you can also share it with the men in your house, so I mean, no complaints over there. You can I have an idea, you can give this perfume to them and use it yourself. I think that is the best way to use this perfume. And but honestly, coming back to the fragrance, it is a very nice subtle fragrance. Like I said, White Oud is a very classic fragrance, and it has been around for wow, and it gives a nice payoff. So you know, it settles down faster. There is no irritation on the skin. It does not feel too alcoholic. You know, some of the affordable perfumes may cause irritation, or you can feel that strong alcoholic feel, you know, on your skin. But with this perfume, I did not feel like, I sprayed it right now and I have used it also. It does not irritate skin in any way. It does not dry the skin. So it is very friendly, skin friendly perfume, and it lasts. Oh my god, this one lasts for a long time. So it gives that subtle payoff for almost like, for me it worked almost 2 hours. I could still feel the scent. So that is what, you know, a good perfume is all about. It will stay on and on. So while the blend is great with all the top notes of, you know, vetiver and fresh cut grass, and then you have these White Oud classic aroma and musk mahogany base notes, woody, warm and woody base notes, this White Oud unisex perfume is just perfect for, you know, like a chic night out, or you know, you like a classic dine-in. So it is one of those really classic perfumes that you must have in your closet, I feel. So that is about the White Oud. Now we will move on to the next perfume. So the next perfume that I'm going to be talking about is the Bella Vita Organics perfume in the variant Senorita. Now Senorita, it's such a beautiful name, isn't it? Now Senorita means beautiful and like a beauty, and that is literally what this perfume is about, because it is very fruity, it is very floral, and it is so much like, it's like a fun perfume, and something which is so perfect for your girls' brunch day or like the girls' day out. So this is what the perfume is like. This is my second perfume from Bella Vita Organics. It's called Senorita Woman. So this is very fun, fruity and floral perfume for women, and it is really a 100 ml perfume, which otherwise retails for 999 rupees, but they have a huge sale happening, and you should totally go check their website out, because you could get this in as low as 499 rupees. So here's to Senorita. So I'm just opening the box. The packaging is very chic, black and gold, and open. I have to carefully open because these are true glass bottles. Very luxurious blends of perfumes from Bella Vita Organics. So yeah, this is what the bottle is. Look at that beautiful pink color. So it's got like a pink amber kind of a shade, and it's nice round bottle, very feminine bottle, and this is a fruity and fun fragrance. So let me just go ahead. So it's got this nice chic spray, and I'm just gonna spray it. The perfume is extraordinary. Blend is an amazing one. It is truly, when I say fruity and floral, it is fruity and floral. Like I can smell, yeah. So as they have mentioned on their bottle, the fruity flavor is that of yuzu and pomegranate, and the floral is, yeah, very subtle floral fragrance, huh? So it is all about lotus and magnolia and peony. So very subtle floral fragrances. So when I say floral and fun, it isn't too overpowering. It is subtle and nice. It's fun, but it is something that you can smell for a while. Like, you know, some perfumes can, floral perfumes can give you headache because of that overtly floral smell. This is not one of them. It's got a very nice subtle fragrance of those lotus and magnolia and peony. Very great mid notes, and then you can smell slightly musk, mahogany, amber kind of a base note. So overall, I think this is a very fun perfume to have. So this is like an everyday perfume, while the White Oud one is more like a classic, you know. It's got a more element of like a feel of party, or you know, when you special occasion kind of a perfume, whereas this is like a fun perfume that you can almost use every day, and this is more like a day perfume, and that is more like a night perfume. But both are great in their own way. I love what these perfumes from Bella Vita Organics. Will I repurchase them? Totally. I think they are worth every penny. Like, something which, like, I'm getting a luxury blend of perfumes in something as affordable as less than 500 rupees. So I'm totally sold for these perfumes, and I love them. And the scents are simply amazing. Like, they're simply marvelous. These are the scents that you know, you can repeatedly wear without thinking about, you know, like without feeling very over the top. But they are subtle and long lasting. They last on me for about 2 hours, and none of them irritated my skin. I have sensitive skin, so I have to keep a watch on what I wear. But these are so good. They did not my skin did not get irritated. They just stayed on and on for a while, and I love these purchases. I will totally repurchase these perfumes. So that was about it in today's Pracky reviews. These from the perfumes from Bella Vita Organics. The first one was White Oud and Senorita, and that's it from me. That's about it in today's review. See you next time. Bye bye.